Hey guys, how's it going? Not a handyman here. So today my wife has asked me to change the filters for our air conditioning unit, so that way with all the pollen in the air and the allergens we can clean it up. Of course, it's a day off, and I tend to do more work around the house on my day off than when I'm working. But anyways, let's get into it. I'll show you how to do it. So you're gonna need a couple things. You're gonna need a ladder, a filter. This is a 30-day Easy Flow filter. It was with the house when we bought it, so I'm just going to use that. I'm not going to go buy anything yet. And then a vacuum unit. And then you're also going to need to know where that is. So you can see how nasty that thing is. Just opening it up is going to be gross. Yeah. Okay, now that we have the ladder set up, we're going to go ahead and climb up the ladder and assess the situation. So here goes. Look at that thing. Look at how gross that thing is. That's probably been preventing a lot of airflow. Oh, got a little dust in my mouth. Okay, now that we've taken out the old one, got the new one there, you can actually see through that one, whereas this one here is pretty nasty. So hopefully this helps the AC blow a little better. Climb back up here. One thing you have to remember is how it was put in there originally. Make sure you put it back in there the way it was put in originally. Okay. Alright, now we're going to vacuum. See, that's why I need the vacuum. To vacuum out all of that stuff. Alright, so I'm going to use the Shark with that attachment right there. It's going to be a little noisy. That's how you change a filter for your air conditioning unit or your heater unit to make sure that you're breathing the best air possible. Thank you for watching Not a Handyman, and please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications if you want to watch more videos like this. Have a wonderful day.